All right, you're pushing the ball out to the right for a right-handed golfer. As you're working through your swing, what's happening is the club is coming from the inside out. The club face is probably pretty square because a push is a shot that starts to the right of your target line and it really doesn't have any curvature. So what we would like to be able to do is turn that slight push into a little bit of a push draw. Okay, we don't really want to push fade because then that's going to push it to the right and cause it to go further right. So let's work on changing that push into a push draw. So if you're pushing the ball to the right, what's happening is you're making that great big turn, looks really good. Your club's probably coming in from the inside. And as you're going through, your hands are working their way back to impact nice and cleanly, but you're just kind of holding on. So what's happening is as you hold on, you're not getting the necessary release and that roll over the face. I don't like to roll the barrel. I like to hinge it back up. So what you're going to work on is your follow through snap. Okay, so here's how you do this. You take your Saber, go to the back, top of your backswing. You're going to work it down just like you normally would, a little bit from inside. You're going to stop here. What you're going to do is snap this ball up there. So as you snap, you're going to lift. So I want you to set it in your wrists and snap it up. So what you're doing is working on really accelerating your hands and arms up into this position. If you're pushing it, you're not accelerating your hands. If you've seen your swing on video, you're probably very slowly kind of coming through this position through impact. What I want you to do is work on that fast upward hinge. Like that. Get this to accelerate up. What that's going to do is as you accelerate upward from that slightly in to out swing, it's going to cause that face to square up and close just a little, and that will allow you to play a little bit of a push draw, which is a preferred shot by many golfers. So hopefully this exercise helps you convert your push into a push draw and shoot lower scores.